So, this question is all to do with this word here, similar. That means the two boxes in this example have a connection, okay, which is very important, because if it didn't, we couldn't do what I'm going to do. So here's the first box. Height of 5 centimeters and a surface area of 150 centimeters squared. There's another box of 10 centimeters. Okay, and we need to work out the surface area of that box. Now, because the height doubles, we cannot assume the surface area doubles. All right, you've got to realise something. Because the height doubles, we are timesing by 2. All right, but because now we're dealing with area, okay, the area times is by 2 to the power of 2, and that power of 2 comes from the units. Remember that. All right, so obviously 2 to the power of 2 we know is 4, so we do 150 times by 4, which is 600 centimeters squared. So let me just go through that again. We had the height of 5 and the surface area of 150, and a diagram really just help here, and then the height had 10. Times the heights by 2. So the area increases by times 2 to the power of 2. Alright, that power of 2 comes from because we're dealing with area. Alright, so this 2 comes from what we did to the heights, but the power of 2 comes from because we're dealing with area. So here's another example, but there's that word again, similar. So we can't do what we're going to do if that word wasn't there. And more importantly here, if you look here, we are dealing with volume this time. So you might imagine, remember volume is cubed. Okay, I know we're using milliliters here, but most volumes are cubed. So we're going to be doing something either divide or times to the power of 3. Okay, so here we go. Here's bottle A. Alright, and it says its height is 25 centimeters. So there's my bottle. Beautifully drawn. And here's my other bottle of 10 centimeters. Alright, and it says bottle B, alright, holds 120 milliliters. Okay, remember your volume, milliliters is cubed. That's going to be very useful. So to go from here to here, okay, we must have times by something. Alright, so we do it backwards. 25 divided by 10 is 2.5. So to do the same thing for the volume, we would have to times by that 2.5, but because it's volume, we have to put it to the power of 3. So 120 times by 2.5 to the power of 3 equals 1875 milliliters. So that 1875 milliliters is your answer.